What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are going to discuss more beard tips on helping you grow that beard that you want, or at least start, you know what I mean? You want to get that vellus hairs or terminal hairs. These are terminal right here. You ready to get that popping, and you want just a little bit more help other than what I've already talked about in my last video. Go check that out, by the way, and make sure y'all sub. Alright, let's get into it. Okay fam, the first thing you need to do, let's get into it, go and get to the point. The first thing you need to do is make sure your sheets and your bed is clean. Your pillowcases, all that. You want to make sure you have a good environment anytime you're touching your face or anything that's touching your face. You want to make sure it's clean. So let's start with your pillowcase and your sheets and your comforter. Depending on how you sleep, like I sleep on my side or on my back, so my beard don't really get that much, friction from my pillowcase or whatever. But some people like to sleep on their stomach. Some people like to rotate sides. And the whole time you're doing that, you're rubbing all that dirt and dead skin from your old dirty pillowcase and the sheets all over your face. And it's causing breeding grounds for bacteria, for you to slow up your hair growth. And on top of not having your pillowcases clean, your sheets clean, anything that's gonna, touch your face, because some people like to sleep with their covers over their face, and you messing up, especially if they dirty. But on top of that, you want to make sure you have the proper pillowcase, the proper sheets, all that. You can order this from Amazon. You can order it from Target. If y'all like to go in places, go to Target, Walmart. Get you some satin material. You feel me? I don't know if Walmart got it. I think Target got something satin in there. I don't know. I haven't really been in Target and Walmart in a long time. We do, pickup. We do all our groceries pickup. We drive up, they put it in. But anyways, you want to make sure you got a satin pillowcase and satin sheets, something like that. At least a satin pillowcase, you know what I mean? Not silk. You can do silk if you want to, but like I can't really sleep with silk, like that, but that's neither here nor there. Get you some satin that can give you the most protection to your face, so it's not snatching. Cotton gonna snatch it, gonna snatch all the hairs out your face. Any type of wool, or I don't know why you would sleep with wool sheets anyway. That's weird. Or pillowcase. Not in the summertime anyway. But you need something that's gonna give you the most, give and slide for your facial hair. You don't want anything that's snatching or pulling your facial hair. Now, on top of having satin sheets and making sure your sheets are clean, your comforter and your pillowcase, you want to get you a beard bunny. You want to get something to cover that up. That's a double positive for your beard growth. If you get you a beard bunny, that's a picture of it right there. I got one, but it's way in my bathroom. I don't feel like getting it for y'all right now. Anyways, get you a beard bunny. Make sure that's satin as well. You don't want to get the cheap ones off of Amazon. Though even the cheaper ones will help, compact and protect your beard. You know what I mean? You don't want anything really frictiony against your beard. So getting you a beard bunny will help you out with that. You know what I mean? Yes, you might look crazy going to sleep with the whole mask for your beard, but hey, you got to think. Do you want to look pretty going to bed, or do you want to wake up pretty getting up from bed? That's up to you, you know what I'm saying? But you might not want to be pretty at all. You want to be, manly and stuff. I feel you. So let's see. We went over clean sheets, clean pillowcase, getting you a bunny, for your beard. What else? What else can we talk about? You want to make sure you're not touching your face that much. Yeah, with these things. Even though you may wash your hands, you eat, you pick up things, you clean up things, you don't want your hands all on your face. That is another thing that can help stunt your beard growth, because these things right here carry a whole bunch of bacteria, and you might not know it, but I'm telling you, these things can help stunt your growth. It is what it is. I know with your progress, your beard might start itching and you just feel the need to itch. Go get you a comb and, scratch it like that. Now, if you can stay away from scratching your beard and, getting the right products, we'll discuss other products in another video to keep your beard from being scratchy, itchy or whatever. I said scratchy, but you get what I'm saying. To keep your beard from being itchy, do that. Get you some products to help with that. They got a lot of products out there to help you with an itchy beard. But by all means, do not scratch your beard with your hands, especially if you've been out in the world eating, kicking it with your girl, your boys, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Don't put your hands in your beard, and most definitely don't let nobody else touch your beard, because that's weird. Unless it's your girlfriend, but you know, she might scratch your booty or something. You know, I don't know. You don't want a booty finger beard. But anyways, fam, that is it for this video. You know, something short, sweet, and to the point. As long as you can, you know, do what I said in that other video, you know, the one I did right before this one, go check that out. I'll put it up here. And do everything I talked about in this video, you'll be straight. These are simple, not expensive things that you can do to help better your beard growth. And of course, you know, keeping that Minoxidil at your side at all times. We gotta stay Minoxidil gang. You feel me? Forget what everybody else talking about. But anyways, I love you guys. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.